They say that Nigeria army don't enter one village for inside the Imo State. No be small thing for Anambra. Now waiting they go on now. As they enter, any family where they enter, na so they go put everywhere fire. Everywhere go they burn yata yata. As we dey talk right now, they say that as they enter inside this particular place, na so they come put fire both boss o house o, even carry some children wey never even reach 18 years comot for that side. Things are happening. As we dey talk right now, Biafrans don send a clear message once again. Come give the Federal Republic of Nigeria, tell them say that this thing wey they do, the only way to this thing is to give them the Republic of Biafra, which is to give them the state of Biafra. And waiting that they are say they no want war, they no want problem. My people, I will bring the video for you, may you watch and bring you the message where Biafra send. However, no say it's still there for Balabas gist. Please do not forget to share this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that anytime when we upload new video, you will be the first person where you go to get them. Watch this video where I will show you before we come back and continue.
We are Biafrans. We are not asking for war. We are not asking for any problem. Only thing we are asking for is freedom of our people. Because they say you cannot beat a child and ask the same child not to cry. Our people has been suffering. Our places are under siege. Our towns are under heavy they militarize our places, so we are not free. Even the country is not giving us enabling grant or government to harness our potential. They keep killing our youth. We are agitating peacefully. What we are asking for is the sovereign state of Biafra. Nobody is asking for war. We ask for a referendum to be conducted. If my people vote that they want to remain in Nigeria, that is their decision. If they vote that they want to be on their own as Biafra, you grant it for them. Nobody is asking you for, but they are doing it as if it's war. If you go to the east, you people are journalists, you can take a walk to the east. You will see what is going on. One pole to pole, you will see military checkpoints. And those checkpoints, they are not there to maintain peace. They are kidnapping our people. They are adopting our people. Unnecessary arrest, shooting sporadically, burning down communities, burning down villages, making mothers childless, making children orphans. It's uncalled for. That is not what we are asking for. They make it look as if there is war. They brought war down to our place. Why we are not fighting any war? Look at the killing going on in the north. You will not see much military present. But the east that is peaceful, that is calm, you will see a lot of atrocity going on, being perpetrated by the same security agent that's supposed to protect lives and property. It's unfair. Our people are no longer happy. What we want is freedom of Biafra. And lastly, let me tell you this. We will resist every attempt within the ambit of law to any agenda or plan of secret trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be resisted by Biafrans within the ambit of law. Because you accuse him openly, you must try him open. Okay? Anything that you want to do to try him secretly will not work. And they should remember that kinetic approach can
ihe na moto nwa agụ chairman obi na agụ chairman ọba ọbọfa ya moto ya ka ndị amị mbatara ebe a bịa gbaa ya ọkụ tụọ ihe niile na ebe ọsọ n'ime abalị ị na-ahụ ka ndị mmadụ dere aka na-agba ha moto and machine ha batara ebe a kurie everywhere. This is the compound. Ha na moto mmadụ ha na ebe mmadụ na his living ogburu ori ozuru ochi ọgbara ama ndị amị bịa jide ya kurie mbe ya la anya so ya na ihe ala ahụ la ala owere ezuka ala gbaa gburugburu ya na iyi ahụ obi na agụ community in iyi ahụ village owere ezuka ala ọ ya ka ejidere ihe mgba ọkụ kpọrọ ndị ha kpọrọ they are nowhere to be found. Agboro ndị dị ime akpọrọ ụmụaja eru 18 years wee jewara na-emejọ nwoke na-emejọ nwaanyị ọ ya ka ndị nta akụkọ anyị bụ ndị nta akụkọ social media warriors na-ebutere unu n'ụbọchị taata bụ ụbọchị afọ bụrụ bụrụ 25th of June 2024. Onye nta akụkọ anyị na-ebutere n'ụbọchị taa. Mechin dị na moto a gbara ọkụ, agbara ife niile ọkụ, ma nwaanyị dị ime is nowhere to be found. Di ya is nowhere to be found. Nọmba di ya adịghị aga aga, ihe niile adịghị aga aga. Ya na moto mmadụ ebe mmadụ na-earn his living. Na-eme Chike na-eme Chima abata ebe a n'ime abalị ebe gbari ebe a. So biko ka mba ụwa n'olu anyị ma na ihe anyị na-anọgụ ọgụ eji ọfọ unu anwụle ihe na mbe ọ dịrị eze n'obu na-agụ ihe afọ. Anyị esighị ebe agba moto ọkụ wee pụta bata ebe nke akpọrọ ọ dịrị eze na nwa ya nwaanyị ada ya nwaanyị akpọrọ lele mmafa na ụmụ ikwusu nji ajiji anya ule ahụ ụmụ aka iburu n'olu ndị iti enuwu ndị bịara ụlọ mwute dịka ndị Igbo otu anyị si eme dịka mba anyị omelala anyị mgbatara ya ọsọ mgbu n'ụbọchị taa ngwa ụbọchị afọ bụrụ ụbọchị 25 June 2024. Anyị ka bụbu okwu ekele anyị lọnụ wele ekele mba ụwa laghachinu biko ka unu bịa nyere eme mba anyị ndị be na-awụ ndị na-amị ndị Naijiria ndị zuu ha tiri ụmụ ikwusu mba anyị nọ ụmụ agadi mba anyị nọ n'iru ụjụ cheki na na-akwụlọle ha dụ cheki ya nụ ihe a eji wee gbuo ma mpa na modi ma mma na modi ọ ihe ha chọrọ ime ndụ makala ụmụ ha gbọrọ wee sọtụnụ laịfụ ha ihe eji wee ha ji wee bịa ha gbuo ụmụ ikwusu mba anyị ka ha wee nwee obu aṅụrị. Udo dịrị unu.
Okay, my wonderful people, this na wetin our people dey see for inside Biafra land, and as e be like this now, everywhere don red. Many children, let me call them children, because at the age of 15-16 years, hence you're a young man, once these people see you, you are one of them. They don't count you join. And they see all those women wey dey there, their children, they don't carry them one after the other. That's why you see them like that. So my people, I dey beg our young ones to be very careful. Anytime you see motor wey no be like say as e be, find your way o. No go allow those people catch you, because you no fit explain anything. Most of them, their brother they don buy them, and their mind no even good for everything wey dey happen now. So anybody wey dey see, that person don follow. So my people, abeg may you share this video as many as you can, so that our youth go get am in this information and know how they go take dey waka for inside Southeast as we dey talk right now. And our leaders as well wake up and protect their children, because there's a adage that say that egbo dike ụbọchị ihe dị dike eme achọwa dike. If our youth no dey tomorrow, when ihe nwakpo come for the Southeast people or for Biafra land, nobody go defend them. As they comot your youth, nothing say you they comot bad people wey dey for your village o, because the time wey una go need those youth to defend yourself, una no go see them. Power no dey remain like that. Even once you don enter 50 years, that power wey you get that time wey you be youth, you no get am again. So our people should wake up. Our fathers, the leaders from Southeast, to defend our youth. Even you wey be governor, wey be president, wey be anything, wey be youth leader, wey be chairman, wey be councillor, wake up and protect your youth. Very, very important. Wonderful people, now so we see am o. I want you to share this video as many as you can.